Hi and welcome again to my YouTube channel. So do you want to learn how I made this spongy soft bread recipe? Then make sure you stick to the end and watch this video till the end. So let's get started. So you get a cup of rice, the normal rice that you consume. So wash it very well, just like you wash your rice when you want to cook it. Then soak it overnight. After soaking, this is what I have, but I felt that it was still strong, so I added a bit of hot water and then put it into my blender to make this creamy rice flour paste. And then I prepared my flour. I added some flaxseed, some sugar, my yeast, and a chunk of lemon zest, lemon juice zest. And after mixing my flour, I added my rice paste and coconut milk. So the full recipe will be in the description section. Make sure you mold it very well into a soft dough, and I transferred it into another plate and covered it up to rise. And after rising, I kneaded it one more time, and then I added my margarine. If you are watching me for the first time, welcome to my channel, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. So after kneading for a few minutes, for about 5 minutes, I added my margarine and also kneaded again. At this point it's going to be sticky, but make sure you keep kneading. As you keep kneading, it will form back to its texture. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time, you are welcome to 360-degree baking. Explore. In this channel, I explore different, unique but simple and tasty pastries recipe. So after kneading, so guys, to divide your dough and divide your dough and make it into your desired shape. Roll it out with your rolling pin and make it into a desired shape. You can make it into balls, into square, into whatever shape that you like. So in this case, I'm making a strand like shape. Make sure you lubricate your pan. I lubricated mine with coconut oil, and I was trying to make another shape here just to give it a touch of uniqueness, and I was just trying to have fun actually. So this recipe gives your bread a kind of spongy texture and soft texture, just like cake. It was so soft and it had a nice taste. So I would recommend that you try out this recipe. So after putting it into my baking pan, I egg washed and I steam baked this bread recipe. I baked with my pot. That is why it is looking so neat and so fresh. So this bread recipe is delicious, and it is something that you can try out too. Rice contains vitamins too, and it is something that you can easily get. After the second day, it was still soft and fluffy, even though I put it inside the oven the second day just for it to be warm, but yet it was still soft and spongy. So we'll be trying out this recipe. Let me know. See you.